are new to this space, thank you so much for stopping by. So today I am back with this makeup tutorial. It's been a while that I have done a beauty makeup tutorial on my YouTube channel. However, on my Instagram and IGTV, I have been uploading every single day. So if you haven't followed me over there, then this is high time that you should follow me. Okay? Anyway, so today I am back with a very exciting makeup video. So today I am going to create, like I have already created this whole face of makeup, like full glam makeup without using any brush. Yes, all I have used is one beauty blender, and this one is from Blue Heaven, by the way. So this is pretty cheap. This is for 149 bucks, and then some Q-tips. These are already dirty used Q-tips, and my good old fingers. So if you want to know how I created this look, then stay tuned.
So first I'm going to start off by priming my face, and for that I'm going to use this simple moisturizer. This is a great moisturizer, no matter what skin type you have. I absolutely love using it. Next I am going to use this 925 Lakme Primer Matte Foundation for my foundation today. By the way, this foundation is super matte and really like high coverage. Next I am going to use this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and just going to apply it on the regular places of my face, like no fancy business here, and just going to blend it with that same beauty sponge. Next, to set my face, I am going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Now this is something that I absolutely used to love doing, but I don't know why I completely stopped doing it. Whenever I actually press this loose powder with a damn beauty blender on my face, instantly like hides my pore as if I don't really have any pores. Okay. Next, for my cheeks, I am going to use this Lakme 925. Now this is like a lip and cheek stain, but you can see like this is really highly pigmented, so you need to tread carefully. Next, for my bronzer, I am going to use this Wet n Wild bronzer. Again, I am just using that damn beauty blender, that same beauty blender. So you guys can literally invest in a good beauty blender and use it. You don't really need to invest in makeup brushes right now, because if you are like a beginner and you want to explore like this makeup world on yourself, you don't really want to pursue a professional makeup artist course or something, then definitely you can actually achieve these kind of looks with your beauty blender and your fingers. Okay, next I'm using this NYX Away We Glow illuminating moisturizer kind of thing. This is very similar to MAC strobing cream, so I'm just using it on the high points of my face as my highlighter. For my brows, I am using this brow pencil from NYX. Now you can actually use eyebrow powder and a Q-tip, but when brands do provide eyebrow grooming products with a inbuilt brush, then why not purchase those? So here I'm just like lining my natural eyebrow shape, nothing fancy. And next I'm going to set them off with this mascara. Now you guys know I love to use mascara as my eyebrow setting gel, but this is a completely optional step. I feel that my brows are quite droopy, so I need to fix them with something strong. Moving on to my eyes, I am using this Makeup Revolution palette. I absolutely love this palette. And to prime my eyelids, I am taking this NYX Can't Stop concealer. Next I am going to use this Q-tips. So first I am taking this shade, this beautiful light brown shade, as my transition, and I'm just applying them with my fingers. I will go in with my Q-tips to blend them more. As you can see, I'm just like taking the Q-tips and blending the eyeshadow. Next, I'm taking this beautiful peach shade and just applying it on the middle of my eyelid, like I am trying to create a nice transition over here. Deep in my outer corner, I am now digging into this deep purple shade, deep berry purple kind of shade, and just using it with a Q-tip and placing it on the very outer corner of my eyelid. I need to like wing it out a bit. It just gives me a very nice lifted look. So I'm just pulling my skin a little bit and then blending it with a Q-tip. This will just give me a nice precision. Next I am using this nice copper color on the inner corner of my eye. For my lower lash line, I am using a same Q-tip and that same maroon shade and just smudging it very nicely. And to tightline my upper lash line, I am using this nice dark green, bottle green shade, and just placing it with the Q-tip. This will just give a nice frame to my eyes. And for my brow bone area, I am using this light green shimmery shade. Shade is really beautiful, but it's slightly chalky. But still, I just love this palette. The shades on this palette are very uncommon on Indian market. Next, I am using a good coat of mascara. I will apply some false lashes. For my mascara today, I am using Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. Sorry, I forgot to short that. Next, for my lips, I am using this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lip Shade. And for all the details, please check out my description box. And sorry, my upper lip and lower lip sweat. I was like sweating profusely. Just excuse me, guys. And that was it, guys. It was quite simple to pull off. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you do, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.
Won't you take me